So looking at the number of people there, the pandemic must be officially over. Just me being grumpy. Okay, so this is officially the start of the Three Castles long distance walk. Wait, what? A walk? No, so I'm going to bike pack it. Just waiting for that aircraft to go over. So yeah, I'm going to bike pack the Three Castles walk between Windsor down to Odiham, King John's Castle at Odiham, and then on to Winchester. The walk distance is 60 miles. The cycling distance is 70. So this is day one, and this will be the first stage cycling to Bracknell. Okay, let's go. See the instantly recognisable Ascot racecourse. The Three Castles path just pops out just by that 30-mile-an-hour sign, and then it comes down this road where I'm currently stood and crosses the racecourse, which is kind of like a path, kind of bridle way. I mean, it's okay to go across there. Obviously the path is going to be closed if you come here on race day. So there's this road here which goes up between these kind of ornamental fir cones, and that will take you up onto Ascot High Street. Okay, heading in that direction is Bracknell town centre, where there are hotels and lodgings. Over there is the blue route, which is the continuation of the route which takes you down to Winchester eventually.